Hello everybody, in today's video what I got for you is 100 Amazon video update. Finally got it done. Actually got it done probably last month sometime, in all honesty. So yeah, I'm finally doing this joint. It's a little late, but I can finally let y'all know my experience with it, how much I've been making, and how easy is it, so on and so forth. I mean, I can go ahead and answer that one. As far as how easy is it, it's very easy to actually like just put the videos up there. As far as getting to be a part of the Amazon influencer program, that might be a little harder. I mean, if you haven't heard of any of this stuff before, then applying the Amazon influencer program is pretty easy, but you just have to qualify with a certain amount of either your channel, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, or whatever. You just got to have a certain amount of engagement, and through some type of robotic systems that they got, they'll figure out whether or not you have enough to qualify. After you get done with the qualification, then you got to upload 3 videos for them to review. They'll see and make sure that you're doing the reviews through the terms of service that they want it to be, and then after that you'll be approved. So that's a quick breakdown of how it is. As far as giving you any real numbers on what I made on Amazon, I can't show you that because it's against their terms of service. So I can give you round out numbers. I also can't show you inside my account. It took me about 6 months to get to 100 videos, and that was because I got unmotivated to do the videos. Now I have an Amazon Associates account, I have an Amazon Influence account. Both of them look the exact same. So I thought I was looking at maybe both of them together, but they won't together, they're separate. And honestly, there's really no real way for you to determine the difference, except for it's kind of hard for me to sit here and say that because I can't really talk about how you do it. You know what I'm saying? So just basically, you got one set of numbers, letters for your associated account, another set of numbers for your other influencer account, or store rather. So yeah, that's the only way to differentiate it. But yeah, so trying to move past that, I went about 3 good months where I only had like 16 videos up, maybe 20 videos up, because I was like, I ain't seeing no real money go through. So it seems like a waste of time. But then I'm also like, well, I said I was going to do this, so let me just go ahead and do it. And then what I saw, I was like, okay, I actually made a little bit of money. So let me go ahead and keep getting this going and actually rev it up. So that's why it took 6 months for me to get it done. Throughout that 6 months, I had one particular video that made me a decent amount of money. Um, and I'm not going to tell you what it was. I can tell you that it's something that most of you are never going to purchase because you're never going to need it. So, and it's for a truck, a semi truck. So that's another reason why I'm saying most of you will never buy it. So yeah, that helped me out. And then there was a few other things that I got for my truck that kind of helped me out as well, as far as getting that money up. So yeah. Um, so with that being said, after 100 videos, the most amount of money I made through that time in 1 month was 60 something dollars. And overall, for the 100 videos, I ended up making like 120 something dollars. Obviously, that don't sound that great. I got 100 something dollars in June. Then before June, in May, I probably only made like 40 something. And then before that, in March or April, I probably made like 60 something. And then March, I made, I don't know, like 20 something. So it fluctuated, but as of after June, where I made 100 something, July, this month, I'm expecting to make over 100, and then we'll see what happens with August. So I am slowly going upwards, in the upward direction. One thing I can say though that helped me with my income is the fact that when I started making videos, people started reaching out to me. Sellers on Amazon started reaching out to me and started saying, hey, can you promote this product for me? And I'm like, yeah, I sure can. That helped me get to 100 videos. In fact, some of them, it was just free, a free review for the product, and then other ones paid me a commission. And it fluctuated. Like the lowest I did per video was $10, and then the highest I did was $40. Yeah, with the ones that were $10 per video, I had repeated videos coming from them. Like I did 7 for one person at $10 per video, and then I had one who was like close to like 20. So when you look at it that way, plus you look at the value from the actual merchandise that I got from it, I made more money. I said I was gonna make like over 100, so I probably made over 200 in actual revenue as far as doing paid promotions. So yeah, and then you have the actual value of certain items. Now some of that stuff, the value is worthless because I'm never going to use it, but I can try to find somebody. I can try to give it to a family member or something. Just to give y'all a few things that I've also gotten other than clothing. I got like I've been offered to do some books, some jewelry, charging blocks, some charging cables, some batteries. What else? Man, there was some other stuff that I can't even think of. So with that being said, what I recommend you to do, Amazon influencers, it's kind of hard to just be flat out say yes. I mean, because some of you, it's definitely going to feel like you're wasting your time. And for some of you, it's going to be like, well, it's going to be worth it. You know what I'm saying? The extra $100, extra $200 is going to be worth it for you, especially since this is going to be a situation where it's not going to be a full-time job. So with that being said, man, I don't think I got anything else to say. I will come up with another update maybe when I get to like 500 videos, or maybe 250. You know what I'm saying? 200, or at least 200 posts, maybe not 200 videos. So yeah, hopefully I'll have more money by that time. Let me know what you thought about this video. What do you think about Amazon influencers at this point in time? If you are an Amazon influencer right now, if you're an aspiring person to try to get up on the program, what do you think about what I just said? You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you didn't think the amount of money I was making per month would be so low at this point, but I mean, reality is reality. So yeah.